Top 10 Hidden Gems in Portugal you need to visit in 2024. Portugal, renowned for its sun-drenched coastlines and historic cities, is also home to a wealth of lesser-known treasures that promise unforgettable experiences. As you plan your travels for 2024, consider exploring these top 10 hidden gems that capture the essence of Portugal's charm and beauty. Évora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Évora boasts a rich tapestry of history and architecture. The Roman Temple, medieval streets, and the Chapel of Bones offer a fascinating glimpse into Portugal's past. This city, often overshadowed by Lisbon and Porto, provides a serene escape with its well-preserved ancient monuments. Sintra's Montserrat Palace. While Sintra is famed for its Penna Palace, Montserrat Palace is a lesser-known marvel. This romantic 19th century palace features exotic gardens and eclectic architecture, blending Moorish, Gothic, and Indian influences. Costa Nova, near Aveiro, Costa Nova is famous for its colorful striped houses and picturesque beachfront. It's a charming village that offers a quieter alternative to the more tourist-heavy coastal areas, ideal for a relaxing day by the sea. Monsanto, known as the most Portuguese village in Portugal, Monsanto is perched on a hill with a unique blend of stone houses and boulders. The village's traditional architecture and panoramic views make it a captivating destination for those seeking authenticity and natural beauty. Ponta Delgada, on São Miguel Island in the Azores, Ponta Delgada is often overlooked in favor of other island destinations. Its historic center, botanical gardens, and surrounding volcanic landscapes make it a delightful spot for nature enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Tavira, located in the Algarve region, Tavira offers a peaceful retreat with its blend of Roman, Moorish, and Portuguese influences. Its charming old town, historic buildings, and stunning beaches like Praia do Barral provide a tranquil alternative to the bustling Algarve resorts. Lamego, nestled in the Douro Valley, Lamego is known for its impressive sanctuary of Nossa Senhora dos Remedios and its rich wine heritage. The town's Baroque architecture and scenic vineyards offer a picturesque and culturally immersive experience. Óbidos, a medieval town encircled by ancient walls, Óbidos is a living history lesson. Its cobblestone streets, charming shops, and historic castle make it a fairy tale destination. The town is also known for its chocolate festival and traditional Gangina liqueur. Guimarães, often called the cradle of Portugal, Guimarães is where Portugal's identity was forged. The well-preserved medieval town centre, with its castle and historic buildings, reflects the country's origins. It's a captivating place to explore Portugal's early history. Viana do Castelo, located in northern Portugal, Viana do Castelo combines beautiful beaches, historic architecture, and a lively cultural scene. The town's impressive Basilica of Santa Luzia offers stunning views over the city and the Atlantic Ocean. These hidden gems showcase Portugal's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage beyond the typical tourist routes. Whether you are seeking historical intrigue, natural beauty, or serene coastal retreats, these destinations offer unique experiences that will enrich your journey through Portugal in 2024. Thanks for watching this video.